Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a custom font style in Wix. This is a great way to personalize your website and make sure your text matches your brand identity. Let's get started. On your Wix editing dashboard, the first thing we need to do is add a text element. We can add it at the top and then go to text. Now, choose the text style we want to add. For example, we can select heading 1 and then drag it onto the empty page. If we want to change the font or use a custom font, all we need to do is click the text and go to the font section on the right side of the dashboard. Here, just click Font and open the drop-down menu. We will see an option to upload fonts. If we have custom fonts on our computer, simply click Upload Fonts, select the file, and upload it. Once the font is uploaded, choose it, and it will be available on our Wix website. That's how we add a custom font style in Wix. With this simple step, we can give our website a unique and professional look.